Hi friends, there are two types of solar powered houses. If your roof is newer and good, you can go for solar panels, which is generally 99% of the installations. If your roof is old and time to change, then you can explore to go for complete Tesla glass solar roof, which is expensive. I am one of the first five to implement Tesla glass solar roof of version 2 in total Austin area. I will cover both the installations and the costing of the same in two separate videos. In this first video, we'll cover solar panel installation. There are 22 panel installations for 8.16 kilowatt, which is sufficient for a typical American household. Tesla will give you a choice to go for max efficiency or you have some preference for panel installation. Normally, south side will have max sun exposure, and after that, west side. I've chosen maximum efficiency. So there is no panel installation on the front of the house, which is east facing. They design everything remotely. There is a talk with Tesla's electrician. Do not miss this, which is very informative. The invoice and costing details at the end. If you like, please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. This is Anthony from Tesla,
Hello.
electrician. Today we are installing a 8.16 kilowatt. Actually, I've got a few questions to Anthony. Means
sir.
uh, like if there is a blackout, and I have not taken the battery. If there is a blackout, and if it produces little bit electricity during daytime, can I use that power?
No. No.
Oh, really?
So this inverter here, it has to have some sort of AC power provided to it for it to work. So without a battery providing that, or the utility providing that, it won't work.
So directly I cannot use solar power generated during daytime, during blackout.
During a grid outage, no, you will not be able to use it.
Oh, really? I thought it would be.
No, sir. Sorry. Yeah, it's batteries, sir. That's what the batteries are for. The batteries will continue to provide power to the solar, to the inverter, in order for it to continue to generate solar power.
Are you going to install the net meter today, or means like who is
No,
going to?
I'm not sure if they have already or not. They may or may not have. I won't do it. It's going to be someone from Encore that'll come and put a different meter.
Oh, Encore, they will install the net
Yes.
meter and all.
Yes.
Yeah, as the Tesla suggested, actually I have changed over to MP2, that energy provider.
Okay.
Actually, how the installation process goes, actually today the installation may be complete.
Yeah, installation hopefully complete today. Down here will definitely be. We'll see how things go on the roof with the guys. Hopefully it doesn't get too windy or anything today, but
Yeah, windy it will be like that around 15 to 17 miles per hour.
yeah. So if it starts getting up there, it can slow things down a little bit. So it may or may not get finished today up on the roof, but we're gonna do the best we can.
Okay. So actually, how the means like the panel and all, it will be interconnected and it will be connected here to the meter.
Yes. So it's gonna everything is gonna come down from the roof. It's gonna go through this inverter.
That
And this inverter is going to tie back into here. There's going to be a breaker inside here that feeds your inverter, providing it the AC power that it needs. The DC will come down, it'll convert to AC, come back into your panel here, and then feed the house.
So based on net meter, if I consume less, actually,
Yes.
it will go to the grid.
Correct.
If I consume more, actually, it will come from the grid. And
Yeah, exactly.
so
if you're consuming more than you're producing, you're going to pull the rest from the grid. If you're consuming less than you're producing, then you're going to put that excess into back to the grid.
That everything will be controlled by net meter,
Yes.
net metering.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yeah, that's good actually. This is for sure you'll get completed today. That electrical work.
Electrical wise, yes, for sure today. Yeah.
Ah.
Yep.
So there is nothing inside actually.
Nope.
Oh.
No, everything just ties right into your main panel here.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, the sub panel, like this, your sub panel's fed through here. So you feed this panel, it feeds everything.
Ah. Okay. So actually the solar panels means like if there is any hails and all means like it will withstand the
Yeah,
panel.
yeah, it should withstand it. It's pretty strong tempered glass on those panels.
Ah.
Typically, what's happened recently, there was a hailstorm. A lot of people had to get their roofs replaced. So but our panels were fine, so we had to go and take the panels down so that they could replace the roof. And then we put the panels back up. So it's they're pretty strong. I mean, I'm not gonna say it would never happen.
Yeah.
But yeah, they're pretty strong. I've beaten on one with a hammer before, and nothing, and it didn't break. So you never know.
It'll be warranty will be around
Oh yeah, it should be under warranty.
25 years.
Don't take this for.
Yeah.
I don't know exactly how the billing in your contract goes.
Yeah, but still.
Yeah, I would imagine that it's
pretty strong and all means
and
panels
I
and all.
imagine that it's somewhere under warranty.
Pretty strong panels and all.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
okay. Oh, that's nice, Anthony. So go ahead with your work.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, sure. Inverter is ready almost.
Yeah, it's getting close. Getting close.
Bad ideas out of my mouth like 1,000.
No, it's all right. Let it be. Let it be. You enjoy the songs.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm jumping down out of my chest as the crowd begin to scream. And the wine was waiting to the barrooms to drink away the dreams. And I can hear with the traffic outside on that dirty street. I can see the lights turn from red to black to blue to brown to green. And I've been staring for so long, my eyes begin to bleed. Yes, I've been staring for so long.
Anthony, when the power will be cut off?
That open door.
In probably maybe a couple hours or something, and it won't be for very long at all.
Oh.
Yeah.
Power will be off for 2 hours?
No, much less, like 30 minutes or less.
Oh, that's okay. No problem. No issues.
Cool.
I ain't got
As you see, 8.16 kilowatt installation costed 17K in November 2021. At that time, 26% federal tax credit got back around $4,400. Now it is 30%. Go for it. A referral link I have given in the description. If you use that link, you will get around $300 credit from Tesla. They keep changing this amount. If you like, please subscribe, share, and like. If you have any questions, please ask. I will try to answer them. Thank you.